Intla quaike untiwea. We are at the important crossroad of our time in our civilization right now. The consciousness of the planet is shifting tremendously. We are waking up.
I always say that Tjaša and her work is absolutely next level.
Hundreds of thousands of people's lives have been transformed through her work.
This was the first time that I felt there's something more in this lifetime than just this physical body.
I think this was the time that I knew that this is just the beginning.
I was always curious what is happening with my brain while I'm channeling.
Hi!
Tjaša, it's so nice to finally meet you.
Should we start?
Let's do it.
Okay.
So my name's Jeff Tarrant. The work that I've been engaged in is in the field of neuroscience.
You know, my heart is beating very fast right now. I was so nervous. I never allow anyone to touch that spot on my head.
Wow, I feel privileged. With Tjaša, I'm actually not quite sure what I'm going to see. We could imagine that things might quiet down. We could also imagine that they might get heightened. I'm ready.
Conscious being, my name is Pale Angel, my goddess Isis, goddess Lakshmi. Through the celestial channeling, I am able to connect to any level of consciousness existing inside of the universe. I feel a powerful flow of information coming through me.
There was obviously a lot more going on here. When a particular brainwave is really strong, it does tell us something about the state of consciousness. This is pretty unusual. That you see just everything just poof.
Okay.
That's a little bit more of a dramatic shift than what I was expecting. But at the same time, there was this other energy that was kind of coming online. There's something else going on there.
I would say like I am not existing at that moment, like something else is existing through me. I'm Tjaša Dorelay, a channeling medium from Slovenia, Europe.